Okay, so number 9 is asking you to turn 13 moles of carbon to grams. So the conversion that I need to know to do this question is figuring out that 1 mole is going to equal to the molar mass of my element or compound that they're asking about. And molar mass, by definition, has a unit of grams per 1 mole, the number of grams in 1 mole. So for carbon, which is what they're asking me for here, for carbon, the molar mass is 12.011. So for carbon, I'm going to write it on the side here, is 12.011 grams per mole. Oh, can't see that. Grams per mole. Okay, so let's start. I have 13 moles of carbon. 13 moles of carbon. Anything that is like a whole number, I can always put it over 1 if I want to see my fractions more clearly. And I have to multiply that by something so that at the end I have grams, because that is what they're asking me, to have grams at the end. So if I want to have grams left over, I need to cancel out my moles. What is at the top and is at the bottom can cancel out, so I know that I should probably put moles at the bottom, and if I want grams, I have to have grams up here. So that at the end, I can go in and say, oh, moles top and bottom cancel out, and grams left over is my answer, right? So, based on the molar mass of carbon that I previously wrote right here, carbon has a molar mass of 12.011 grams, 12.011 grams per mole, or per 1 mole, the same thing, over 1, same thing. So now I can see that I have moles at the top, and I have moles at the bottom. That cancels out, and I am only left with grams. Beautiful, that's what I wanted. And now all I have left to do is just multiply my numbers. So I have 13 times 12.011, and that is 156.143. I am not going to round. This is just for practicing. So 13 moles of carbon, if I wanted to find that in grams, I have to multiply the number of moles by the molar mass, cancel out my units, and it's equal to that many grams.